3, 2, 1. Have fun.
Consult with one of our colleagues on the ground. On behalf of Air Canada Express, member of Star Alliance, we thank you for choosing us for your travels today. We hope you've had a pleasure.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today I just have some snippets of day one. So flying from New York to Montreal and Montreal to Vancouver. And I just wanted to take you guys along. This is really just a point of view video. I don't really show my face as much in this vlog. Vancouver has some really beautiful real estate, but according to my cab driver, it is way too expensive to live here. So I wish I could, maybe one day.
I think this is just a drop off.
Yeah. Though there are many steps to go through before you get on the ship, one thing I will say is that Royal Caribbean knows how to work their lines, because although the lines were long and seemed like they were never ending, it didn't take us more than 30 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Well, it felt like less than 30 minutes. So props to Royal Caribbean for being able to get over 4,000 people on a ship so quickly.
Actually look nicer closer up than they did like from afar. I thought the balconies actually look nicer closer up than they did from afar.
Yeah, they did. It looked like the old.
It looked really dingy and yeah, it looked like Carnival. That's exactly what I thought it was.
That's why I was like, that ain't nothing.
But it looks like we're the only ones in port. The boat, we made it. Now where's the food at? There's only like 2 people here. Jordan. Or you go first. Go ahead. After you. No. Or not.
No recording.
Sorry.
Pardon me. Sorry. Thank you. Oh, the hunger is so real. Hi, good afternoon. Thank you.
Here you are.
That's you guys.
And here we are.
After getting on the boat, we just chilled for a little bit while everybody else was getting situated. And then once we all got ourselves together, we went to the Windjammer to have lunch because I was starving. So the Windjammer is a buffet style, so it's all you can eat, get as much as you want, and there are different options, which is very nice for people who, you know, only like to eat a certain kind of food.
Because it gets everyone else out of their game. They don't bother me.
after the muster drill, it was pretty much the end of my day. We've been traveling all day and I've been up all night the night before, so we just went to bed. I have way more footage for the next day, so if you guys are liking this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.